Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope you are well and healthy. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin Shikha, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School, Morningshin. Today I am going to take ICT class for the students of class 10 on the topic Chapter 5, and today we will read from page 72 to 75. I am repeating, today our topic is Chapter 5, and today we will read from page 72 to 75. Students, this is lecture number 2 and our homework number will be also 2. So dear students, please take your ICT book and let's read from page 72 to 75. Students, I hope you have opened page number 72. And in last class, we have learned about graphics, and today we will start from presentation software, creating presentation. It is the age of exchanging information and ensuring human welfare through free flow of information. Now the exchanging of information among the researchers, educationalists, social workers, professionals of national and international levels has been emphasized most. Meetings, seminars, symposium, workshops, and frequently arranged in order to ensure free access to information. As a result, experts have up-to-date information about their respective fields. Presentation software like PowerPoint, Picasa, Impress, etc. are mainly used to present information in an attractive and effective way in meetings, seminars, symposium, workshops. So we usually use PowerPoint, Picasa, Impress to attend any seminar or meeting or any workshop. PowerPoint is a piece of popular software or application of Microsoft Office. It is called presentation software too. So PowerPoint is also known as presentation software. Information can be presented attractively with text, graphics, audio, and video through PowerPoint. In fact, right at the moment, there is some alternative to PowerPoint software. That is why it is widely used for presenting information and meetings, seminars, symposiums, and workshops. As a Word document in a Microsoft Word program has numerous pages, a PowerPoint presentation also has several slides. A page containing more than one slide is called handout. So what is called handout? A page containing more than one slide is called handout. A draft should be made for organized presentation in PowerPoint. This draft is called slide layout. Another question is, what is slide layout? A draft should be made for organized presentation in PowerPoint, and this draft is called slide layout. Now we will learn opening PowerPoint program and creating slides. To open PowerPoint program, first, what we have to do, at the left corner below the screen, start as written. It is the start button. So at the left corner of the screen, there you will get a start written, and it is called start button. Now number 2, click the start button, taking the mouse pointer on it, and a menu will be viewed on the screen. Number 3, place mouse pointer on all programs command and get a flyout menu. Number 4, click Microsoft Office menu from this flyout menu and get the list of all the programs of Microsoft Office on another flyout menu. Number 5, select Microsoft Office PowerPoint command from this list and the first slide will be shown on the screen. In the main part of the slide, click to add title and click to add subtitle are written on the box. Click both the writings and of text. Box will be shown with the insertion pointer. Type title and subtitle while the insertion pointer is in the box. If you click outside the box without writing anything, those two writings will be viewed again. So here you can see, students, if you open your computer or laptop, by following all these rules, you will get such thing and you can work easily. Click the textbook border and press delete button. After selecting the textbook with the writing will be deleted. Select textbook icon from the ribbon of home menu and take the insertion pointer inside the screen, and the insertion pointer will be changed into a text pointer. Create a box, dragging. The insertion pointer will be on the box. The keyboard will be transformed into Bangla for typing in Bangla. So skip it. Now go to page number 74. Here we will learn about saving presentation. Give the save command from the file menu and save as dialog box will come. Next, type the name of the file in save as dialog box. Suppose that the name is my country. Next, click the button OK in the dialog box and the presentation will be saved as my country. And at last, the file can be opened next time to complete the unfinished work. So in this way, by following these rules, you can save your presentation. Now we will learn how we will add new slide. So this is adding new slide. Many slides may be included in a single presentation. So if you want to include a lot of slides in one presentation, you can. So for that, you have to do some works. First one is select the command of new slide on the ribbon of the home menu or press Ctrl plus M from the keyboard. So you have to choose Ctrl plus M. A new slide will be added. Click to add title and click to add text will be shown on the newly added slide. Both the writings will be deleted following the previous directives. The small version of the newly added slide will be shown on the left side of the window in thumbnail view. Okay, students, you can understand how you have to do. I'm skipping this and now I'm reading from page 75, display slides in presentation. Students, I hope you will read from 1 to number 4 at home about adding new slide, and you will be able to add new slide if you want in your single presentation. Now, display slides in presentation. Making 2 slides for presentation, check it whether it has been workable as well as presentable for completing the task. Press the button F5 from the keyboard or select the slideshow on the ribbon of the view menu or click the icon of slideshow on the status bar. The first slide of the presentation will be displayed. Next, for viewing the text, next slide of the presentation, press the right arrow of the keyboard, and to go back, press the left arrow. For starting the next slideshow from the middle of the presentation, press Shift F5 button. Press the ESC button to revert to the window of editing from the window of slide view, slideshow. You can be sure whether the slides are presentable or not by checking at any phase of preparing the slides, changing the background of slides. So if you want to change the background of your slides, how can you? So here you will get the answer. The color of background can be changed either during the procession or after the making of slides. Any image can be used as the background of the slide. Adding or changing background to the slide. First one is keep the slide open or active. To add a background to it, the first slide of the current presentation is kept open. Students, that's all for today. From next class, we will learn elaborately about changing the background of slides. Now it's time to provide your homework. Look, I have provided your homework. Your homework will be 5 MCQ. You will do 5 MCQ from page number 72 to 75. That's all for today. Hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. Stay well and see you again. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.